Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I have the Lasten baking products. And this is I told you I'm going to start doing some baking this year. I'm feeling good, so I might as well do what I can do. This is let me pull it out. This is what you mash the dough in, and this has got a good leather handle on it, and you can get down and you can mash that dough. And then this is the chopper. I'm not going to completely take this out of the plastic because it's got cardboard under it because it's sharp. And this you cut the dough with, and you cut bread and all that. I'm hoping that I really can get into some baking this year. I bake bread. I used to bake bread, and I'd like to start baking it again. So again, this is the Lasten baking set. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will leave where you can get it in the comment section. Give this a thumbs up. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.